Thousands of smallholder farmers in South Africa are turning to poultry farming for economic empowerment and job creation. But many require the skills and knowledge needed to grow their businesses. With support funding from US government agencies, the World Poultry Foundation is partnering with South African government and local organizations to upskill these farmers, helping them grow their passion for poultry farming into sustainable businesses. For the farmers, this offers greater opportunities to them and their communities.
I moved into farming because I could see like there was a lot of poverty. So I was like, the only way I could help those people if I contribute to the value chain of the country and the economy.
Poultry farming is more like raising your kids because those chickens are like your children.
It's all about dedication. The amount of passion you put into it is the amount you get back.
So Bona, welcome back.
US government agencies committed to uplifting poultry farmers in South Africa helped fund a series of workshops and even overseas internships for promising farmers. Workshops on farming best practice, record keeping, and business management helped farmers become more efficient and, importantly, more profitable.
We were able to access 200 operators in 8 different venues across the country. We were able to achieve a good balance of male and female, youth and older farmers.
We believe it's in the best interest of the global poultry sector and individual poultry farmers to share knowledge and best practices on financial management, food safety, and overall poultry production.
The training that I've undergone, it was quite successful because it actually opened my eyes to certain things that I did not do on the farm.
How to calculate my stock.
Heat management inside of the houses, better feed management, water management.
Also to know the programs for vaccination, also to know how to market.
It's very important to understand what is happening in your business numerically because you can think that you are doing okay while you are not.
Some young farmers also spent a year training in the US. There, they embraced the opportunity to learn at major facilities and excelled.
Farmers were trained on production, biosecurity, processing, as well as financial management.
One of the houses under my supervision achieved 96% production rates.
Most of the people that we've sent overseas have been very, very successful.
I think the biggest benefit for the farmers was better farming practices turning into better profit margins.
So after training, they learn a lot and they have changed the way they were doing things.
Because of the training, I am now able to do feed conversion ratio.
The training was quite successful in terms of my cash flow management.
The training, it gave me more than that because I was able to calculate when I'm making profit and when I'm making the loss and what I need to put in order for the business to be successful.
The most important thing that I learned in the training was biosecurity.
A dead bird cannot lay eggs. So as soon as you understand that, you have to take care of the bird health so that they'll give you enough eggs to provide your consumers.
The training has helped my business to grow. I've learned to interact with other people from other provinces. They are also helping me.
As a direct result of the training, 63% of the participants reported increases to their incomes, 74% reported improved profitability, and 80% reported improved record keeping.
They can now commercialize their poultry entities, and that will enable them to participate in the broader economy of the sector.
Thanks to these in-depth training sessions, these farmers see potential room for growth.
I can get bigger because I still can't keep up with the demand.
My future goals is to go from 500 chickens to 1,000 chickens.
My goals is to teach South African-based poultry farmers with the knowledge that I've gained from America.
We hope this future training will improve their production and profitability, which will benefit not only the farmers themselves, but also their communities.